It's not necessary to have a massive following to earn money on Instagram. According to Buffer, influencers with fewer than 10,000 followers are actually producing the best outcomes for companies. Therefore, if you have ever considered becoming an influencer, you likely have the potential to do so. In this video, I will be providing useful insights and answering 5 of the most common questions regarding earning money on Instagram. In fact, many influencers with fewer than 10,000 followers are generating the best results for businesses. Next, you might be curious about how much influencers can earn. It depends on various factors, such as their niche, engagement rate, and the type of collaboration they have with brands. In general, influencers can earn anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars per sponsored post. Moving on, we'll also discuss the most effective ways to start earning money on Instagram. Determining your rates as an influencer can be a daunting task, but it's crucial to value your time and effort. We'll provide some tips on how to calculate your rates based on your audience size, engagement rate, and other metrics. Lastly, we'll explore how to initiate partnerships with brands. Building relationships with brands takes time and effort, but it's a great way to expand your reach and monetize your platform. Based on recent studies, micro-influencers, or accounts with 10,000 or fewer followers, can earn around $88 per post. Mid-tier influencers or accounts with 10,000 to 100,000 followers can charge around $200 per post. Meanwhile, top-level influencers, or those with 100,000 to 1 million followers, can charge up to $670 per post. Keep in mind that these are just ballpark figures, and actual rates may vary depending on several factors, such as engagement rate, niche, and type of collaboration. One crucial factor is the niche you're in, which determines the level of competition you'll face and the potential income you can generate. Different niches have varying levels of demand and market value, which can influence the rates you can command as an influencer. Some niches that are both highly profitable and highly competitive include fitness, beauty, health, business, and travel. It's important to have genuinely engaged followers who interact with your content and show authentic interest in what you share. This way, you can demonstrate to brands that partnering with you will yield valuable results. It's essential to remember that brands value more than just the size and reach of your Instagram account. Now, let's discuss the actual amount of money you can earn on Instagram. As with any industry or job, the earning potential varies greatly. While there aren't any strict rules, you're probably looking for some concrete numbers. In my experience, $1 per follower is the rate that most marketers are willing to pay. For example, if you have 5,000 followers, you could potentially charge $50 per post. However, it's important to note that this is just a rough estimate and that rates can vary based on a range of factors. One prominent influencer recently shared his pricing guide on Later, emphasizing that the rates influencers charge depend on factors such as creative requirements, project timelines, production expenses, and usage rights. Let's explore a few ways that you can earn money on Instagram. One of the most popular methods is working with brands on sponsored posts. You can also become an affiliate, open an online store, or do all of these things simultaneously. Let's focus on sponsored posts for now. You can negotiate a fee with brands for posting sponsored content on your feed or in your stories. Together, you'll determine the level of exclusivity, the amount of content to be produced, the specific wording to be used, the actual content itself, and the payment terms. The contract may also include a specific call to action, such as a link in your bio that directs followers to the brand's website. Another avenue to explore is becoming an affiliate. Unlike influencers, who primarily focus on raising brand awareness, affiliates are invested in driving sales for their brand partners. This is typically achieved through the use of promo codes or trackable links that attribute the sales to you. To connect with brands seeking affiliates, you can explore affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, RewardStyle, and Amazon Associates. When it comes to affiliate marketing, product reviews are highly effective. However, it's crucial to only review products that you genuinely support and that align with your audience's interests. Posting excessive promotional material risks losing their trust, which can be detrimental to your entire business. Maintaining a strong relationship with your audience is essential. Ensure that you prioritize their interests and needs above everything else, and deliver content that genuinely resonates with them. Making money on Instagram doesn't necessarily mean working solely for other brands. You have the opportunity to take full control of your income by establishing your own online business. Whether it's selling physical goods, services, or digital products, the possibilities are endless. There are various ways to start your own online business. You can utilize print-on-demand services to customize and sell products like mugs, t-shirts, and totes. Additionally, selling services such as consulting, music production, yoga classes, or photography can be a viable option. Another avenue is selling digital products, which have the advantage of scalability and the potential for passive income. Consider offering courses, gated content, workout plans, or any other digital product that aligns with your expertise and audience. To direct your followers to your business, it's crucial to have a link in your bio. Tools like Linktree enable you to link multiple URLs simultaneously. When it comes to finding brands to collaborate with, there are a few strategies you can employ. Begin by seeking out brands that align with your beliefs and values, as well as those that resonate with your audience. You can reach out to these brands directly to explore potential partnerships and negotiate deals. Alternatively, you can leverage influencer marketplaces to increase your chances of being discovered and establish relationships with brands. One platform worth considering is Four, where you can create an influencer card. This card showcases all your social profiles, allowing brands to have a comprehensive view of your online presence when they are searching for potential partnerships. It serves as a professional introduction and can pique brands' interest in working with you. Additionally, you can access a list of brands and their specific requirements or desires, enabling you to take the initiative and proactively reach out to them. By combining proactive outreach with the exposure provided by influencer marketplaces, you can increase your chances of connecting with brands and building valuable relationships. Remember to approach brands that share similar values and interests to ensure a strong alignment between your content and their brand objectives. If you have a smaller account, CrowdTap is a great platform to consider. It offers small content creation tasks that allow you to earn rewards. However, please note that CrowdTap is currently only available to users in the United States. Another platform worth exploring is Indahash. Brands post campaigns on Indahash, and you can participate by sharing a picture and using the specified hashtags. You will need to have at least 700 engaged followers to be eligible for campaigns. The rules regarding sponsored content may vary, but it's essential to prioritize your audience's trust. Consider using hashtags like ad or sponsored on your posts to transparently indicate that they are sponsored content. Now, when it comes to pricing an Instagram post for brand collaborations, there are two primary approaches to consider. For sponsored posts, you can charge a flat fee per post. It's crucial to value your work based on the return on investment, ROI, you provide for the brand. Transparency is key, and you should aim to be as involved as possible in assessing the results. For instance, if you initially charge $50 per post and later discover that the brand generated $10,000 in sales, it's reasonable to renegotiate your rates accordingly. When it comes to affiliate posts, you will charge a cost per sale, typically in the form of a percentage of the sale. Commission rates can range from 5% to 30%. However, it's important to note that the customer doesn't necessarily need to purchase a product for you to earn a commission. Depending on the campaign's goal, you can also consider a pay-per-lead pricing model. This means you receive a flat fee every time a lead completes a desired action, such as signing up for a newsletter, filling out a contact form, or opting for a free trial. Lastly, you can opt for a pay-per-click rate, where you receive payment for every customer you drive to the brand's website and convert. Do not underestimate your worth simply because you have a small following. According to a study by Mobile Marketer, influencers with 1,000 to 5,000 followers have over 2 times the engagement compared to those with 10,000 followers. This goes to show that even with a smaller audience, you can make a significant impact. Throughout this video, you learned the threshold of followers required to start earning money and gained insights into the actual earnings of influencers. We also explored creative avenues and ideas for generating income on Instagram, as well as strategies for pricing your content and establishing partnerships with brands. Armed with these insights, you are now equipped to embark on your journey towards monetizing your Instagram presence effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.